Wow.
So when we was talking about the population before,
yep.
Permanent residents 300 odd thousand is this Gold Coast area. So it's from that tip down there up to there. So. And where we've just come from is over in that section there, just to the right of that last high-rise you can see.
Yep.
The one in the middle with the angled roof, that's the casino. So that's the heart of Broadbeach, and so we're just back over this way.
That's great. So is that what you do all the time? Tours like that?
Yeah. Yeah, 7 days a week.